Hello there, this is Sophia Sensar and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating you how to add animations in CSS. So let's get it. Enough talk. Okay, so let's create a simple box. So let's add a class and give it animation box. Okay, so to specify an animation, what you do is you use this property called keyframes. So click on keyframes, and then once you do that, you specify the variable, the property. So let's say rotate. Then once you specify, you'll then need to specify the transform. So I'll say 0%. Basically, you specify your properties. So 0%. Let's say I'll put transform rotate 180 degrees. And for if I can specify that 100%, we'll specify 100% transform rotate 0 degrees. So then once I specify the keyframes attribute, we'll then now need to use that as the box for the property. So put animation rotate to infinite linear, and now it spins around. So then I'll put 1 second, it just goes quicker, and 0 second, it just stops. So then let's do 2 seconds, step end, try step end. Let's use 2 seconds. So then now, if I put to rotate 2 seconds, it'll just then stops and continues. So if I just refresh, it just refreshes for you. So then if I do infinite this time, infinite will help rotate around simultaneously, continuously. If I put duration, let's say 2 seconds, it'll just show the step end. So that if I refresh, it'll just flip back down. So there we go. So there is animation duration. We can set the animation duration to 0 seconds. And put infinite. Okay, so let's create the keyframes. So keyframes, and we'll specify the variable. Let's say demo slide. Cool. Now let's specify the from margin left. So from large margin left, we'll give it 100% to put margin right 0. Cool. So here is the keyframes with the variable given and the implementation specification that I added. Next, we would add this into our animation box property. So let's say it will say animation, and it will specify specify on the variable here. So we'll put animation. Let's put animation demo count. Okay, so this time I added the animation demo slide down, and the animation duration will give it 2 seconds. Let's say give it infinite. Okay. Let's put animation iteration count, we'll put infinite. And yeah, as you can see here, the animation now goes consistently fast without like giving any 2 seconds. Let's just say 4 seconds, it'll go slowly. For 4 milliseconds, it'll go quickly. So as you can see here. So yeah. So let's put 1 second and it goes normally. And yeah, this is how you specify the iteration and the duration. I'm going to end off this video today. If you're new, please like, subscribe, comment. I'll do a part 2 in this video. If you can hit a like, that would be awesome. This is your boy. I'm out. Peace.